All right, guys, 2017 Infiniti Q60 all-wheel drive. Red Sport, twin turbo, 3.0 liter. What a sexy car. He just got it and brought it right to us. It was too loud. So it had these MBRP mufflers on it. If you guys wonder what they look like on the inside, that's what they look like. There they are. Straight through design with baffles, little cut openings, as you guys can see. So took them off and replaced them with Valvetronic designs, mufflers, universal muffler kit. All right, here we go. Let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got Megan Racing downpipes that we didn't do any of, catless. Then full MBRP cat back exhaust 3-inch into an X pipe, then back out. We readjusted everything to make everything fit seamlessly and make it a lot cleaner looking. We added a couple of sleeves here and here to make it fit just right, but it's clean. There it is. And then there's the sexy Valvetronic design mufflers right there, universal kit. Then we wired them in, as you guys can see there, and up into the cigarette lighter in the center console. But there they are. That's the mufflers. And then we reused his tips too to make it look clean. That's a lot nicer, a lot cleaner system now. And there's the part number on them right there. That's the universal valve muffler kit times 2. They come in a single and a double. All right. Packaging was really nice, clean, no dents, nothing. Just a nice setup. Let's hear it. Stay tuned. Such a beautiful, clean car, man. Woo. D badge too, so it only has the S. That's sexy. All right, go ahead. Cold start. That's when the valve's closed. Yeah, that's cool. It'll work. It works perfectly, bro. I think you'll like it because he lives in an association and he's like, it's too loud. The association was getting on his butt about it, and his mom was also. So here's sound decibels with the valves closed. Not even 71. See it? And that's a cold start too. Wow. Give it gas. Yeah. Why? Hey, he's happy. Look at him. Again. Valves closed, guys, okay? Again, go ahead. One more. Right at 97. Again. So that was all valves closed, guys. Now, valves open. Go ahead and open the valves. So with the valves open at idle, it's at 80 now. It's right at 80 now. Let me get close, hold on. That's idle and with valves open. All right, go ahead and give it a gas, valves open. 120, oh really? Your sound decibel? 120 on sound decibels. Wow. You can hear the turbo spooling up. Oh yeah. Oh, it sounds phenomenal. Again? Again. Go ahead and back it out. So that was valves open, guys. So this is valves open. Go ahead. It sounds so mean. Don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's valves open. Now this is valves closed, guys. Go ahead. Sounds like stock. That is great. Look at this. Do that again. He doesn't believe it. Now it's stock. That's with catless, guys. Imagine that. That's crazy. So it's like a 30 decibel difference, which is insane for Valvetronics. That's why they sent us the mufflers. He said, test them on regular cars for us. We're trying to get into the market of regular cars, so everyday cars. So that's perfect. Again. Yeah, sounds good. All right, I'm gonna let you guys hear on the inside. All right, guys, round one. Valves closed. Infiniti Q60 Red Sport, twin turbo. Full 3-inch system with Valvetronics. Valves closed. That's a good looking car, man. Sexy. Let's see how it sounds with the valves closed. And it's freezing here, guys. The car is not cold. It's just really cold. It's so quiet. That's crazy. I love it. This is with valves closed, guys. Drive by. This is clean, dude.
Sounds like a stock,
Yeah.
stock Q60.
Nothing crazy. It's just stock. Wow. There we go. That was valves closed, guys. Now he's gonna do valves open. It says valves open. What do you think?
Love it.
You love it? It's nice and quiet inside now. All right, open it. All right, valves open. Go ahead. Wow, look at his face. Wow, that sounded phenomenal.